कोविड-19 के दौरान प्राइवेट स्कूलों की जानिब से मनमानी फीस वसूलने की नाराजगी अब बढ़ने लगी है। कर्नाटक में गार्जियंस ने मनमानी के खिलाफ बड़ा मुजाहरा किया है। इस मौके पर उन्होंने हुकूमत से मुदाखलत की मांग की और उनका कहना है कि सरकार राहत का ऐलान तो कर देती है, लेकिन स्कूल इंतजामिया की मनमानी पर कोई एक्शन नहीं लेती। इसका फायदा उठाते हुए जमकर लूट होती है। एहतजाजियों ने मांग की है कि हुकूमत एक हद तय करे ताकि आम लोग इस लूट से बच सकें। वाज़ेह है कि कोरोना के बाद ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के नाम पर स्कूलों की जानिब से मोटी फीस वसूली जा रही है, जिसकी वजह से अब गार्जियंस की नाराजगी सड़कों पर दिखने लगी है।
We have totally 15 demands, sir. So we are hit hard by the corona for the last almost from the March, that is almost 10 months. And our demands are mainly our teachers who are working for us, they are hit hard, they are paid only 30%, 40% from the managements. But still, the minister is not giving clear instructions that whether parents have to pay or not, how much they have to pay, and he is not able to fix the fees also. So we are demanding the minister that you fix the fees for the academic year and how much percentage of the fees the parents have to pay. The clarity should be there, but he is not clarifying it. He is telling, those who are able to pay, let them pay. Right? How can we run the schools? That's why, we are demanding that, minister has to clearly fix the fees and tell the parents this much percentage of the total fees has to pay this year.
Simple thing is, when they say Mata Pita Guru Daivam, right? They are putting the teachers before God. But one more thing, teaching should also come from the heart. It should not be just going and telling something and coming. And teachers' mind is totally like, they are not in a proper mind to kind of teach, because when this is the salary, that is the salary. Even teachers are ready to take a lesser salary because of COVID. But parents are taking it as an advantage because there is no direction from the government. Let the government say, okay, this is the fees that have to be collected. This is one. And the second thing, if you even look at the numbers, almost 51% of the students are studying in private schools. The salary what private schools could provide is not the same as what the government teachers are getting. Government teachers are getting salary, but they are not teaching. All private school teachers, almost most of the schools, are running online classes. They were talking about, no, we are paying whatever fees we are able to get, from that we are paying. In our school, we are paying around 60% salary. But when the schools are running, we should not pay salary.